Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Back in the kitchen again. Guys, today I'm here making some Jamaican oxtail, Jamaican style, Jamaican recipe. So come guys, let's make some Jamaican oxtail. Guys, this is my oxtail and this is about 2 pounds of oxtail. So what I'm doing now, I'm just rinsing off my oxtail and I'm going to cut off all the fat on the oxtail. Okay, so I'm going to clean it up. Alright, what I'm doing here, I'm just cutting off some of the fat them. Yeah, and I'll get rid of all the fat them, but I try to cut off majority of the fat, okay? Right them here now, just cut off them little something here right here, so. So this there, so I'm gonna just get rid of all of this, yeah. And your knife have to be well sharp. Trust me if you deal with this fast. Because my knife is sharp right now. I don't like use sharp knife. Trust me, I don't want to cut me. So I just use what me can manage. Yeah. Guys, what I'm doing here, I cut 1 lemon and I just squeeze it in there. And I'm going to leave the skin in there for 5 minutes and I just pour some vinegar in there to cut out all the rawness. Rinse it off about 2 times when I take out the vinegar and the lemon. Just rinse it off. Yeah. Guys, this is my oxtail. This is how it looks when I wash it with my lime and my vinegar. So I'm going to use all of the seasoning now. This is my Lawry seasoning, and you know already when I'm using this seasoning I don't put any salt in my pot. Okay, so I'm just gonna add some Lawry seasoning, teaspoon of Lawry seasoning. I'm just gonna add my basil. It's not ready, yeah. And I like add no whole heap of powder seasoning. I'm just gonna put little black pepper in there, all herb, majority of my natural herb. Okay. I'm gonna add some browning. I'm gonna add my oxtail seasoning. Just gonna shake it up. I'm gonna give it a rub before I put in all my natural herb in my oxtail. Yeah, marinate your own. You can see the your one from overnight, and if for 1 2 hour, 1 3 hour. So I'm gonna put in all of my natural herb in there. You have some carrot, some chopped scallion, onion, green bell pepper, and some tomato, thyme. I have ginger and some scotch bonnet pepper here, and I have some basil, and I have my garlic here. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put this in my oxtail. I'll just combine all of this together. Okay, use the gloves that I want to, go straight down, rub it, season it up properly. Just use my gloves. If you season up your meat and you realize enough browning in there or enough seasoning when you taste it, you can just add your seasoning and until it gets to your taste that you want. Okay, all right, so this is how it look so far. So I'm gonna put on my pot now. See that? This is how it look. Yeah, so I'm gonna put on the pot now and let it hot. pot is hot, so I'm just gonna pour some oil in my pot. I like to wait until my pot well hot. Then I put in my oxtail, okay? And the next thing, I don't want the place to full of smoke. So I'm gonna put in my oxtail now, okay? I'm using my pot. If you have a pressure cooker, you can use it also, but I'm just using my regular pot. What I'm doing now, just taking off all the seasoning of the oxtail. Guys, I'm gonna put some water in my oxtail. I'm gonna pour in my water. I don't know how long this oxtail is gonna cook for. Maybe 2 hours, 3 hours. I don't know how tough it is. So I'm just gonna put in my water and just cover it and just see how long it can cook for. Okay? And this is my seasoning here. I'm just gonna cover this and just put it down. With my oxtail half cooked, I'm just gonna put in my seasoning and show you. Guys, I forget to tell you to put in your garlic and your ginger in the pot. When you just put in the oxtail, it can cook and make the meat get soft quick. Yes guys, this is about 1 hour and 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna test it and see. It never ought to come off. So I'm gonna taste it and see. Okay, it's off cooked now. And all of this in my pot, okay? I'm gonna put a little water in this, and then I just mix it up, and then I just cover it for the next hour. Just gonna pour a little more water in there. Just gonna leave this for 1 hour, and then I'll show you how it look in a 1 hour time. Okay guys? Okay, so see you in the next clip. Guys, this is how my oxtail look. What I'm gonna do now, it's soft. Let me show you it's soft. Let me show you, sir. It cooked for 3 hours. Yeah, see, it's soft. So what I'm gonna do now is just put in my butter bean, then I just put a little ketchup in there and just make it just simmer down, and then I just take it off. Okay? I made the butter bean I put in a while ago. Just soaking at the oxtail for just 10 minutes. Then we put in the ketchup. Okay, guys? Just gonna put in some ketchup. You don't have to add no ketchup, you know. You don't have to add no ketchup because it's just the gravy just rich already. You see that? It's not bad. You just need to just simmer down now. So you don't have to put no ketchup in it. So I just put little tip in it. So I just make it simmer down a little more, and then I just lock off the stove. You know, if you have when you use your pressure cooker, you just pressure it for about half an hour to an hour, and then you just cook it down for your next half an hour, and you know it would take for 3 hours. So having a pressure cooker and using a pressure cooker is good, you know, but this is just the pot, no pressure cooker. I prefer cook it down like this, okay? Yeah. See the gravy? Yeah, you know, must put no ketchup in it. So this is how it looks so far. So I'm just gonna make it simmer down a little, and then yes guys, this is the finished look of my Jamaican oxtail, Jamaican recipe, Jamaican style. Guys, it's really good. I'm gonna put all the ingredients in the description box so you can get it all there. So guys, please subscribe, share and comment and tell me all about this recipe, this Jamaican oxtail recipe. And you can have this with some white rice, pumpkin rice, you know, some rice and peas, and you can have this with some steamed cabbage, or you know, if any other vegetable you prefer. But I'm gonna have this with some rice and peas and some steamed cabbage with some plantain. And guys, big up on yourself and thank you for watching. You know, subscribe and share and comment if you don't do that already. So big up on yourself. All right, bye. Yes guys, this is the finished look.